wanna see some danger? And ladies and gentlemen, I look at you all today and I realise something. I realise I've wasted 5 years of my life. No one really cares about this trick. But that's okay, because all that means is I have to do my job. And that I have to do better. And better. And better. And better. And believe me, I can. Because I have been training to entertain people for almost half my life now. Third quick trick, only performed by a handful of people in the world. No clapping. No, really, no clapping. No cheering. Guys, this is only the warm-up. The really amazing part of the show. And I have some really amazing stuff to show you. That stuff is beginning in just a few moments. Eyes on me, we're about to play a game. Louder! And stop! Wait, it's not finished yet. The answer is yes, I can. Okay, I can see you're not impressed yet, but please have faith in me, for I know through years of experience that is about to change right now. Get your cameras ready. And the third trick is called a helicopter. I'll let you guess why. Go to college! Go to university! Because that's what I did. Look at the job it got me. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I began my career, I didn't have to do this. I'm really embarrassed about it. Please don't laugh at me, okay? Yeah, thanks for your support, guys. Time for my dynamic moment. Children, cover your eyes. Oh, lady, don't film me now, come on. Between the legs. Few last things I'm going to say. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been a great audience. I've really enjoyed entertaining you.